How to tell if someone is spying on your iPhone. So first you need to enter this code on your phone. So open up your phone and enter *#21# and make a call in this number. Once you do this, basically it's going to show you the setting. And if everything over here is disabled, that's okay. But if any one of the setting is enabled, unless you yourself enabled it, then that's okay. But if you did not enable it and it's enabled, then that means somebody is spying on you. But if everything is disabled, you're good to go. The next thing you can do is open up your settings, scroll all the way down and click on apps. From over here, you want to find the option called phone and click on phone. And make sure over here inside phone setting, click on call forwarding and make sure this setting is off. Once this is off, what you can do is go back and inside of your settings, you want to click on the option called privacy and security. And inside here, click on location services. And if you see this location arrow right beside, like for example, the RAS, that means this app is using location. So it knows where my location is and I provided it this location access. But if any of the app is using a location which you do not know, you allowed it to, then that means they are using that app to spy on you. You can click on that app and make sure to click on never, and the location will be set to never and they won't be able to track your location. So that's how we guys can tell if someone is spying on you on your iPhone. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.